Greetings, everyone. I'm so tickled by my life. So I'm out at the historic Mapleton Community Garden, and this is my very first plot that I ever tended to, which is now in the second year. So that's yarrow, and it has just grown wild, probably because I wasn't out here messing with it. and that's parsley. Same thing. Look how beautiful. I have not been out here for a long time. But what I wanted to show was how beneficial the dead leaves were in maintaining the weeds out here. So I took just dried up leaves, you know, the ones that fall and you have to rake up and you think you have to break your back and burn them or put them in a bag. I didn't do that. I actually came out and put it as a ground covering in my garden to keep the weeds at bay. And honestly, it has done a fabulous job. Do you guys see it? I mean, there are hardly any weeds out here. That's an overgrown plant right there, so that's not a weed. But there are so few weeds in my plot. I am just simply amazed. I think it looks awesome. So here's my second plot that I did not put any dried leaves, and you see the overgrowth of weeds. And so this is going to take a lot of work in getting all of that cut back, but you see the difference. And so I'm really impressed with the utilization of dried leaves in a garden to keep the weeds at bay, other than my yarrow and my parsley, and I believe that was broccoli. But other than those plants, there's hardly anything in this plot except for dried up leaves. And so just wanted to show that. All right, we're off into our second season out here at historic Mapleton Community Garden. Sandy Rogers signing off.